Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the watch and ensuring it's ready. Plug it in until it shows at least 50%, then press and hold the side button to turn it on. Pair immediately through the companion app on your phone, open the app, follow the on-screen pairing code, and accept permissions. Once connected, set language, time format, and wrist preference. This reduces sync errors. Make sure notifications are allowed, otherwise call, message, and health data won't arrive reliably. Now configure the core features. Calibrate motion sensors by following the app's quick walk and rotate prompts, because accurate steps and workouts depend on it. Enable continuous heart rate and SpO2 monitoring in settings. Choose GPS mode only for outdoor workouts to save battery. Customize watch faces and add the widgets you use most. Swipe order affects speed of access. Once done, sync settings and perform a short test activity to verify sensors and notifications behave as expected. You finish by learning daily operations and a key fix. To start a workout, choose the mode, wait for GPS lock if outdoors, then tap Start. This ensures accurate route and pace data. Sync after each session so the app stores full metrics. Install firmware updates promptly because they patch performance and battery issues. If something goes wrong, restart the watch and phone, repair via Bluetooth, and clear the app cache. If that fails, factory reset as a last resort to resolve persistent connectivity or sensor errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.